Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone on the Headball 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Headball 2 game on your device. And after you complete the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the homepage, from which if you wish to invite some friends, simply swipe to the right from the play menu and you will see the friends option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be taken into the add friend option. You can simply use the search box to search for and add friends onto your game, and if you wish to invite someone, tap on the invite option and now you will see the invite button. Go ahead and tap on the invite button, and now you can either tap on the copy link option and share this link with whoever you wish to invite onto the game. You can also directly use your WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook or Twitter and various other options in order to share this invite link. Once your friend taps on this link, they will join the game with you and they can also start enjoying the game together. You will also gain certain rewards based on how many players you invite into the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite players onto the Headball 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.